How to Steal Chicken. Once upon a time, on a small green planet in the middle of the clouds, lived a farmer, his chickens, and a fox. Often the fox had little to eat and craved for the farmer's chicken. Today he was going to make his move, but first he had to wait until nighttime. When the sun finally went down and the moon shone brightly with the stars, Mr. Fox walked slowly and silently to the farmer's house. He stared at the unaware farmer and quietly slipped back into the bushes. Making it past the farmer, he now sprinted to the chicken coop. He knew that he was getting closer, and so did his stomach. Eyeing the chickens, he silently grabbed each one, and one by one, the chickens disappeared. He was now ready to go home and enjoy his meal. Wait, I guess he chose to enjoy it here instead.